Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So today's video is my Disney haul video. My daughter and I did a really quick trip. We were there for literally 2 nights. We did like a day and a half at the parks and lots of shopping. We like to call it Moo Moo Sharoo. If you watched any Adam Hattan videos, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, let me show you what we got. I'm gonna start with the Japan store. This is one of our favorite stores, and for different reasons. The store is huge and there's something for everyone. I have been collecting bowls for as long as I can remember, so I'll show you what I got to add to my collection. These are really tiny bowls, perfect for snacks, little M&Ms maybe. I have 2 of these. They're so pretty. Another one of the same kind. And when my daughter was younger, she loved owls, so I started collecting these, and they're adorable. So pretty, and I love the little details. And they had adorable bowls with dogs on it. I thought it would be cute for my dog, but he's a big klutz, and I didn't want anything glass or breakable. And I couldn't find anything with a cat, so I almost got her a dog bowl because I thought that would be hilarious, but I did not. I found her this adorable cat food bowl. It is perfect. It is perfect for her wet food, which she loves. And look how cute, made in Japan. So that's my Japan haul. I'll show you what my daughter got. Hold on. Alright, she's a big My Hero Academia fan, and she got the Funko Pop Deku training, and these are more My Hero Academia. They're like little candies. She didn't care for the candies, but she loved the case. So they have characters on the outside, on top, and when I open them up, here's what they look like. They say A on each side. So cute. And she has a friend who is Japanese and has brought home candy and treats before, so she wanted to try some more candy and treats. These were delicious. This is actually the second box. The first one we opened while we were in Epcot, kind of went everywhere. Seagulls had a nice treat, and we had some leftovers, so we got some more Hello Panda chocolate creams that are delicious. And these little hard candies were also tasty. I love the store in the Japan Pavilion. It goes on and on forever. There's literally something for everyone. Another one of my must-gets every time is a mug. Well, this time I went a little crazy because it's been a while since I'd been there. And last time I was like, oh, I'll get it next time. Well, next time it, shut down the whole thing. So here are my mugs from this trip. I love this Norway mug. Norway had a lot of great Minnie and Mickey skiing merchandise. This mug is about the same size as the Starbucks ones too, so they stack really nicely. This one is ginormous. This is my Disney Vacation Club member mug. I've been wanting it since I saw it out. Didn't get it last year. It's huge, holds so much coffee. That's not a problem. And Mexico mug. How I love the shape of this mug. I love the Minnie and Mickey on it. 3 cabaneros. It's a perfect little mug. The other thing I got in the Mexico Pavilion, I've had my eye on these for years. I only bought one. I'll have to buy another next time. These beautiful glasses. I am a margarita fan. If you've been following my page, you know where I love to get my margarita in Disney, and I've been wanting one of these glasses, so I have one home with me. There's more. Also, if you've been following my Instagram page, you know I'm a huge WandaVision fan. I had to get this t-shirt. I absolutely love it. It's very comfortable. I got it large. It fits nice and big. It's perfect. And then we went to the Ron John surf shop in Disney Springs. They had so many cute sweatshirts and surfer type apparel, and it's still winter here. And I loved this sweater. It says surf, it's got a little tie-dye on it. It's a light cotton, so it'll be perfect for the summer. And perfect for an extra layer right now in the freezing cold. My daughter had been saving her money and made the lightsaber. It's really heavy, really well made. When you make the lightsaber, you will see a video. I have it. I will post it. I'll post the link below when they're all connected. You also get a pin too. So this is the pin. It corresponds with the design that she picked, and it was such a cool experience. If you're a Star Wars fan, I highly recommend making your lightsaber. And she's made her droid before too. You can check out that video, link below. So fun. And since she is a big Star Wars fan, and she's a big fan of the original trilogy, we saw this sweatshirt in Disney Springs. And since it's still cold out, we thought it would be a nice sweatshirt to come home in. And right now there is a big discount on if you were a DVC or annual pass. I think we got 30% off this merchandise. So nice. All right, last few things. She'd been seeing these and they're brand new to Disney. You can buy all these little characters and get little outfits for them. Stitch is adorable, and she bought we call it the New England outfit because he's got his flannel tied around his waist. He's thinking, because you know, you never know, you may need extra layer, it's cold. And a new phone case, because you know, kids, they need a bazillion phone cases. I absolutely love this one. She had eyed a few different Star Wars ones, saw this classic like retro one. I mean, who doesn't love the Millennium Falcon? And the last few things, last but not least, we were at the Marvel store in Disney Springs. She bought a new mask. She is a big Spider-Man fan, and a Spider-Man pin. So yeah, I think that's all our stuff we got. Just a few things. So let me know, do you have a favorite souvenir you love to collect? For me, it's obviously the mugs and the bowls from Japan. Let me know in the comments below. Do you have a must-have souvenir? I love to hear what you guys love to get shopping too. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.